Cloudy cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices, spices. Cloudy cooks.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and another cooking video with your one and only Claudie Cooks in the kitchen. Let's make some real Jamaican breakfast. Look at all these delicious ingredients. Let's get cooking. Woo-hoo! Okay, we're going to start off by peeling this washed green plantain. So as you see, cut the top and the bottom off. Then we're just going to run our knife down. Right, we've peeled it. Now we're just going to cut it into chunks because we're going to blend it in our blender. Into some water to stop it from going brown. Let's prep our water for the porridge. Right, we're going to put our heat on now. I'm going to put that up on high and I'm going in with about 2 pints of boiling water. Next, we're going in with some cinnamon sticks. I'm going in with 2 and I'm going in with half a teaspoon of salt. Give that a little mix. Lid on, and we're going to let that boil whilst we blend our banana and some other ingredients. Okay, let's get our plantain in. When you're making plantain porridge, what you need is very green plantain, but if you can only get what you can in the shop, but as long as it's not ripe, okay, because you don't want the porridge to be oversweet when you mix it with the sugar, the condensed milk and all of that. So try and get it as green as you can. Now we're going in with some coconut milk. I love coconut milk, so I might even just use all of it. In with about 250 milliliters of water. In with 2 tablespoons of flour. You can use oats or cornmeal for thickening agent, or you can just use the plain plantain. Go with the flow what suits you. And now we're going to go in with a teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to cover that and then we're going to blend it. Okay, this is what we're looking for. Nice and smooth. Okay, let's get it into the pot now. Okay, we're going to lower the fire because it's boiling right now. We're going to lift the lid off this way so we don't get burnt on our face. Let's pour our mixture in. Right, now is the fun part. We will just have to keep on stirring and stirring and stirring so we don't get any lumps in there. And now we've got the fire on low because we're going to do it low and slow so we don't get any burn. Right now, it's looking pretty good. And once I'm satisfied that it's not sticking to the bottom, the lid is going to go on. We're going to let that just bubble away nice and slow for about 10 minutes or so. Then we'll be back. This is actually 15 minutes into the cooking process. Look at that. Rich and creamy and silky that is. Let's sweeten our porridge in with a bit of evaporated milk. I'm going in with some condensed milk. And please sweeten it to your liking. Okay? Some of us like things very sweet and others don't. So adapt it to your taste and flavor. And I like a bit of brown sugar in this because this is what I remember as a child when I was having it. Sugar milk, carnation milk and condensed milk, vanilla and fresh nutmeg. I love the flavor of vanilla, so I'm going in with about 2 teaspoons. We're going to go in with a good grating of nutmeg. This is smelling so wonderful. Very comforting and very nostalgic. For me, that is. Guys, let me know which of the Caribbean breakfasts you had as a kid and love, and it evokes memory that as an adult you still have to make it because it reminds you of so many wonderful memories as a child. Drop me a comment and let me know, and also how you make your plantain porridge. I believe that this right here is comfort. Okay, let's give this a taste. Bit more milk. And I'm going in with a pinch more salt and some nutmeg. Lid on for another 5 to 7 minutes. Just let it gently build up on those flavors that I've just put in to sweeten it. So I'll see you when I'm plating up. A splash of cinnamon, pinch of sugar, optional of course. Just going to drizzle a bit of condensed milk over it as well, but that's absolutely optional. The splash of the evaporated milk. And there you have it, guys. My Jamaican plantain porridge. Comfort in a bowl. If you enjoyed this video thus far, thumbs up, subscribe, like, and share for more of these wonderful, comforting, nostalgic Jamaican breakfasts. Enjoy. Peace out. Let's give this a taste test. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Creamy, warming, silky, and absolutely delicious. It tastes just as I remembered it. Oh my goodness. And you can't have your porridge without some crackers or buttered bread.
Claudia cooks, bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices.